Hi, I am Climate Buddy. I'm going to talk about something that affects all of us, and that's climate change. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple, without any science jargon. You see, our planet is like a big cozy blanket, keeping us warm and comfortable. But over time, we've been unintentionally adding extra layers to this blanket. These layers are made up of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and others. Now, these gases come from everyday activities like driving our cars, running factories, and even cutting down trees. Imagine our planet wearing a fancy new scarf made of all these gases. As more gases pile up, our cozy blanket becomes too thick, trapping more heat. And that's when we start feeling the effects of climate change. Think about it like wearing that fancy scarf on a hot summer day. Not so comfortable, right? Climate change brings some serious challenges, like droughts that dry up our farms, floods that disrupt our communities, and forcing animals to leave their homes. It's like a big puzzle, and we're all connected. But wait, there's hope. We can solve this puzzle together by using more renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, planting trees, and being aware and mindful of our actions. We can help slow down climate change. So remember, it's up to us to take care of our cozy planet. Let's be kind to it, just like we are to our homes. Together, we can create a brighter and healthier future for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word and take action against climate change. See you next time.